What's Ottawa? Watch commentate last year. Commentating is kind of fun sometimes.
Yep. I actually see myself as a color commentator.
Yeah?
I don't really know a lot of Smash, but...
Kage!
Yo.
Kumite! On screen!
Yes.
Zoom! Because you're the last guy to play matches.
Okay. Pool 10 on stream. Let's go.
You guys all got carried to pool 10.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna play on stream soon. Kage here.
Do you want to play first, guys?
Yeah, let's go.
And then
After their set. Vas-y Alex, capable man. Ninja Lex. Oh! Ooh.
oh, grabs him right out
wow.
of the That's beautiful.
Nice down smash. Prevent any move from coming out. Frame trap. Oh wow.
Going for a lot of full
Ooh,
aerials
no,
right
no,
now.
no tech by Sheik.
Oh man,
no.
follow-up.
Follow was a little bit risky there, I think.
Yeah.
Oh what?
Oh man.
No.
Smash
Wow.
right
That worked? Uh oh.
Oh, here
I
it
think
is.
he's dead.
And the knee.
And oh, good
Grab
guy
ledge,
though.
grab ledge. Nice moonwalk.
He's not dead though.
And reverse.
yeah.
Nice job.
Nice edge guard. Nice and simple.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Okay,
that
alright.
movement, Jesus. Ninja. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Nice.
Good punish.
Ooh, denied.
Done.
Baited the jump, just ferret him out. Oh my god. No, he's not gonna go out there at low percent. No. Oh no. Oh, okay.
Man.
Interesting choice. Oh no.
That's unfortunate.
You hate to see this type of thing happen.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, the Raptor booster coming out.
He baited the second place. Not gonna happen. Oh.
Oh man.
Punish
She
it
put
down
the
there.
auto combos.
Hey. Oh. No.
Smashing right into his shield.
Double forward smash. Hey, careful here. Don't go off stage, please, Sheik.
And there.
Oh, no
man.
punish.
Mispunish there.
Uh-oh, and he's dead.
Dropping way too low.
Yeah. Poor Alex. Oh my god. Oh, Falcon.
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh no, where's the fastball? Where is it? The money shot.
Ducking right under that grab there.
Hey.
Oh, throws him back into the center of the stage.
Ooh!
That was sick. Oh my god.
Oh,
Stomped into the abyss.
that hurt.
I believe Alex will eat dirt while Doom flies through the heavens.
Yeah. I think you should go on like a battlefield or something. It's a good Sheik stage. And I was right once again. That experience.
Yeah.
The matchups. Oh my god.
My god.
Falcon coming real strong here.
Throwing that dash attack in there.
Nice. Into knee? No? Okay. Up air.
And
Up air, good
looks
choice.
like that's gonna be
Hey.
it. Yeah.
Wow, 0 death.
0 to death.
Oh, that movement by Doom. Very good.
Has yet to
Ooh.
be hit this match. Oh, there it is. Oh, the Raptor
Oh
is
my god.
all hitting.
Overextension. By Falcon. Oh,
Doom
wow.
making it look like this matchup is in Falcon's favor.
Well, ooh, what?
Beautiful knee, so raw.
Raw knees.
We got those. Oh man. I was looking for the fair there.
Ooh. Ledge cancels. Ooh. Oh, what the fuck?
No.
Jump up air. Jump up
Slipping
air.
right off the stage.
Oh my god. Me? Oh wow, he went for
All
the
of
style.
stomps. Oh.
Wow. I don't think he realized he had to jump or something. He really needs a sick combo here. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3 dollars?
Oh,
No?
almost got the hard read there.
Yeah, almost.
Oh,
Nice.
beautiful. Nice down air from Sheik.
Oh wow,
Nice.
Sheik.
All right, is this the comeback? Is this the stock of champions? right
That's a good answer for so far. Oh
now?
no.
No, the rapper who's catching him from above and behind.
No punish? Ah, no shield.
That's tough.
Should just shielded.
Yeah,
Maybe go for a
attack
shield
again.
drop. Aw. Yeah.
Doom taking that 2-0.